2011 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern Signature Series 340RL for sale in Pollocksville, North Carolina 28573. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2011 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern Signature Series 340RL. This luxury fifth wheel is 40 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 4 slides, 2-year-old automatic awning, 2-year-old slide-out toppers as well as automatic hydraulic levelers. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its like-clean condition. This 2011 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern Signature Series 340RL fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 3-burner stove/oven/convection microwave side-by-side refrigerator/freezer double kitchen SinkDinette with chair SeatingElectric, FireplaceFlat screen TelevisionSurround SoundDVD/CD/StereoDish network with automatic satellite SeekingSofa SleeperTwo ReclinersComputer WorkstationLarge bathroom with glass enclosed shower toilet sink with MirrorMaster queen size bed full size master closet/DresserMaster television 2-year-old TiresUnder belly slide out storage trays and so much more. This 2011 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern Signature Series 340RL is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Dutchmen fifth wheel can be yours.